Good afternoon, volleyball fans. Masantos yang araw at si kayo namin, Pangasinenses. We are still live here at Alaminos City Gym at kakatapos lang natin matunghayan ang 5 powerful games from the Women's Division. And this afternoon, matutunghayan naman natin ang 5 games mula sa Men's Division of the Governor's Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 under the leadership of our Governor Ramon Monmon V. Gigo III. For our Game 1, it is the battle between Municipality of Lingayen having 2-1 standing versus Municipality of Mabini having 0-4 standing. Dito natin malalaman, volleyball fans, kung makakakuha na nga ba ng panalo ang Municipality of Mabini or kukuha nga ba ulit ang Municipality of Lingayen ng another win. Yan ang tutunghayan natin, volleyball fans, kaya just keep watching here in our Governor's Cup page because our Game 1 in the men's division in the Western Conference is about to start. This is Samantha De Guzman, your courtside reporter. Back to Miss Victoria and Mr. Joseph.
Good afternoon once again, mga kabalayan. Welcome back to our live coverage of the Governor's Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 Western Conference, coming to you live from the Alaminos City Sports Complex.
The women's division has given us incredible moments, and now we shift our attention to the men's division, where stronger attacks, powerful plays, and intense competition awaits us. Thank you to all our viewers joining us here at the venue and through our live stream. We are excited to bring you another set of thrilling volleyball action this afternoon.
Before we begin, we would like to extend our heartfelt appreciation to our beloved Governor, Ramon Monmon V. Gico III, for his continued support and dedication to the development of sports in Pangasinan. Through his commitment to programs like the Governor's Cup, our athletes are given the opportunity to showcase their talents, represent their municipalities, and inspire the next generation of players. Truly,
Pangasinan ang galing. As both teams go through their warm-up, let's take a closer look at the two squads who will open our men's division action today. First, we have Team Mabini, currently looking for their first victory with an 0-4 record in the tournament. Although they are still searching for that breakthrough win, Team Mabini has shown determination and competitiveness in every match they play. Coming off a top loss against Team Anda in their previous game, they now have other opportunity to make adjustments, regain their confidence, and showcase the fighting spirit that represents their municipality. Every game is a fresh start, and Mabini will be eager to turn things around here today.
On the other side is Team Lingayen, carrying a strong 2-1 record and coming into this match with winning momentum. They secured an victory in their last outing with player of the game Christian Costucho leading the way with an impressive performance. His contribution played a vital role in helping Lingayen capture the win and build confidence heading into today's match. Known for their teamwork, discipline, and competitive mindset, Team Lingayen will look to continue their momentum and add another victory to their campaign.
This matchup presents an exciting contrast. Mabini hungry for its first win against Lingayen, determined to continue its winning run. Both teams have something to prove, and we can expect a competitive battle from the opening serve until the final point.
I am Maria Victoria Ferrer together with my partner.
Joseph Soriano.
In just a few moments, we'll proceed with the official introduction of our players, followed by the opening serve of our first men's division match. Stay with us as the Governor's Cup action continues right here at the Alaminos City Sports Complex. First 6 for Team Lingayen. Jersey number 6, 20, 14, 1, 11, and 9.
First 6 for Team Mabini. Jersey number 13, 7, 20, 9, 3, and jersey number 1. Their first libero is jersey number 4. Serving jersey number 13 for Team Mabini. Estrada, good serve. Estrada to Rojas, blocked. And that will be the first point of this set for Team Lingayen.
It's Custudio who gets the first point.
Inogasio. Service error there for jersey number 6. Hernandez on the service zone. Good serve. Inogasio to Manuel.
No second ball there for Team Mabini. 2-1, favor of Lingayen.
Custudio now on the service zone. Good serve. Estrada to Manzano.
Combination play.
Good attack there by jersey number 11, David.
Now serving jersey number 14, Custudio. Good serve. Estrada backsets to Rojas and blocked.
Still serving jersey number 14, Custudio. Good serve. Estrada goes to Tawataw. Good
Good
ball.
ball.
Rojas ginawa ng paraan. Nandun si Jata Cruz. Custudio hinabol ang bola. Free ball may bibigay para sa Team Mabini. Estrada to Tawataw. Miss hit. Inogasio. That is an attack error for jersey number 1, Quezon. Now on the service zone, jersey number 3, Manzano. Good serve.
Free ball for Team Mabini. Manzano. Estrada to Tawataw.
Manzano. Good serve. Manuel ginawan. But he is blocked.
Rotation error for Team Lingayen. Lamang ang Team Mabini ng isa.
Manzano. David is there. Inogasio to David.
Deadlock at 5. David. Manzano, Estrada to the open. Andun si Loria. Saved by Clifford. Free ball for Team Mabini. Estrada. And that is an error for Team Mabini.
David. Estrada. Tatawataw. Block.
Joust.
Manzano. Bibigay ng free ball. David is there. Inugasio. To Jata Cruz.
No check ball. Too much angle on that hit. Serving jersey number 9, Rojas.
Rojas. Inugasio. To Manuel.
Di kita niyo yung laban natin ngayon. Nasa first set pa lang tayo.
Now on the service zone, jersey number 9. Manuel. Estrada. Tatawataw.
Nalunod doon si Tawataw. Palitan dito. Jason Estrada out. Raver Estrada in.
Manuel. Rojas.
Wow! Pinabawi kaagad si Tawataw.
Ayun ang gustong gawin pa kanina ng Team Mabini. Tawataw now on the service zone. Good serve. Inugasio.
Nabantayan to Clifford. Andun si Tawataw. Itataas para kay Manzano. Andun si David. Inugasio to Quezon. Doug, want to play. Long rally here. Estrada sets it. No, gives a free ball. Inugasio want to play. Ross was there. The jersey number 7. Check ball. The jersey number 1, Quezon.
Tied at 8. Tawataw serving. Inugasio to Quezon. Deflected. Estrada to Reyes. And that is not over. Point for Team Lingayen. Quezon. Estrada. Inugasio to Jata Cruz. Dog.
Point for Team Lingayen.
Powerful attack there coming from jersey number 20, Jata Cruz. Still serving jersey number 1, Quezon. 1-2 play. And 1-2 play. Reyes. Andun si Quezon. Inugasio to Jata Cruz. Breaks the block of jersey
Wow.
number 1. Still serving. Quezon. Estrada. Point for Team Lingayen. 4 touches violation.
Babalik na po ang main setter, Jason Estrada. Still serving. Quezon. Si set kay Reyes. Drop ball pero nabantayan ni Costudio.
Bustria in. Reyes out. Good serve. Bustria. Deflected. Manuel to Jata Cruz.
Nandun si Inogasio. Manuel isiset para kay David Estrada. To Bustria. And he is blocked.
Mabini will call for time. Still serving jersey number 1. Quezon. Rojas is there. Estrada. Free ball para sa Team Lingayen. Inogasio. Back row attack. That is a point for Team Mabini. 14 serving. 9. Now on the deck to serve jersey number 16. Bustria. Good serve. Inogasio to Jata Cruz. Ando ng libero. Bustria is still there. Free ball para sa Team Lingayen.
Labrador. Inogasio to Diata Cruz. And gets through the block. 6-point lead here. Team Lingayen.
Now on the service zone, jersey number 20. Jata Cruz. Good serve. Estrada to Manzano.
Fine zone 1.
Estrada. Labrador. Inogasio to the bead. Blocked. Inogasio Custodio. Still bodies on the floor, partner.
Inogasio. Sharp serve. Estrada sets it to Manuel. But too strong for jersey number 9. Sorry, that's Rojas rather.
Inogasio. Good serve.
Hernandez itataas para kay Rojas. Inogasio back sets to Manuel. No check ball. Another point for Team Mabini.
Hernandez. Labrador. Inogasio. Manuel ginawa ng paraan. That will be a point for jersey number 9, Manuel. 7-point lead po para sa Team Lingayen. 18 serving 11. Set number 1. Custodio. Good serve. Estrada. Manzano off speed attack. That will work for jersey number 3, Manzano. Now serving jersey number 3, Manzano. Good serve. Inogasio. David.
What a powerful attack there by David. Now serving David. Estrada to Tawataw. Wow. Official score 19-13 in favor of Team Lingayen. Now
Now serving.
serving jersey number 9, Rojas. Manuel. Happened there. Net violation called on Team Lingayen.
Rojas serving. Good serve. And that is inside. Point for Team
Wow.
Mabini.
Biglang bumaba yung yung bola. And time out for Team Lingayen dahil 4 na lang po ang kanilang kalamangan.
You are still watching us live here at the Alaminos City Sports Complex. This is the match between Team Mabini and Team Lingayen. Score is 15 serving 19. Rojas on the serve. Inogasio.
Clifford and solid block there by Tawataw. Still serving. Rojas. And service ace for jersey number 9.
Dalawa na lamang po ang kalamangan ng Team Lingayen. 17 serving 19. Rojas. Good serve. David. Para kay Manuel, and that is a point for jersey number 9.
Double substitution here for Team Lingayen. Manuel out, De La Cruz in. De Vera out, Inogasio out. De Vera in. Sorry.
Serving De La Cruz.
Malamig pa, partner.
Tawataw. Good serve. De Vera blocked. Andun si Quezon. Jata Cruz itinasang bola. Free ball ibibigay para sa Team Mabini. Estrada. To Hernandez. Andun si Labrador. David. Tinas para kay Jata Cruz. Off speed attack.
Push. Estrada to Bustria, and Bustria gets the point. Isa na lang ang kalamangan ng Team Lingayen, partner.
Tama ka dyan, partner. From 7.21. Tawataw still serving. David. De La Cruz to Jata Cruz. And
Deadlock at 20. At babalik na po ang dalawang double sub. Now serving, jersey number 20, Tawataw.
good serve. Inogasio to Quezon.
Substitution. Quezon out, Lomboy in.
Lumboy. Good serve. Estrada to Hernandez. Inoga shot. Attack error for Team Lingayen. Deadlock at 21. Now on the service zone, jersey number 16, Bustria. Good serve. But that well straight outside.
We're sorry for the late live coverage. Inayos lang po ang internet connection. Nasa first set pa rin po tayo. And David gets the point. 23-21. Timeout for Team Mabini. Alam mo ba, partner, na ang WeConsulta ay nasa Barangay Matalava, Lingayen ngayong araw. Kaya naman huwag palampasin ang pagkakataong ito para mapangalagaan ang inyong kalusugan.
Sa susunod na mga araw din sa bayan ng Lingayen ay nasa Barangay Malimpok, Estanza, Kapandanan, Balangubong, Basing at Dulig. Mangyari lamang po na bisitahin ng Lingayen District Hospital page para sa mga schedule ng mga nasabing barangay. Balik po tayo sa laro. Jata Cruz serving. Estrada to Manzano. And Manzano gets that point. Jersey number 13 serving. Estrada. Inogasio to Custodio. That will work. Serving for the set. Jersey number 6. Inogasio.
Estrada sets it to Rojas. Solid block. And Custodio, nag-sorry siya dahil may natamaan. And that ends the first set. Nanalo po ang Team Lingayen. Habang nagpapahinga ang ating team's partner para sa second set, no, ano-ano nga ba, partner, yung mga kailangan dalhin ng ating mga kabalayan sa WeConsulta?
Alam mo, partner, ang mga kinakailangan nilang dalhin para sa mga 18 years old na above by national ID at 3 photocopy ng kahit anong valid government-issued ID with 3 specimen signatures.
Para naman po sa mga 16 years old hanggang 17 years old, kinakailangan kasama ang inyong magulang, national ID, 3 photocopy ng kahit anong valid government-issued ID with 3 specimen signatures at 2 photocopy of guardians any valid government-issued ID.
Dahil sa mga programang ito, kinilala ang Pangasinan sa Gawad Kalusugan 2025 kung saan tumanggap ang ating lalawigan ng 5 Palbayani Awards na inorganisahan ng Department of Health, Ilocos Center for Health Development sa San Fernando City, La Union. Nakilala ang ating probinsya para sa mahusay na pagpapatupad ng universal healthcare.
Meron na rin tayong mga libreng dialysis centers sa iba't ibang bahagi ng lalawigan katulad na lamang sa Alaminos City, Provincial Hospital sa San Carlos City, Urdaneta District Hospital at Lingayen District Hospital, pati libreng MRI, CT scan, X-ray, ultrasound at maging mga gamot sa Pangasinan Provincial Hospital.
Dahil dito, tunay nating masasabi ang tagline na ipinagmamalaki ng ating lalawigan, Pangasinan ang galing.
And you are still watching the Governor's Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 Western Conference live here at the Alaminos City Sports Complex. This is set number 2. Inaayos lang po saglit ang ating antena. Wag po kayong aalis dahil ito pa lamang po ay ang ating first game sa men's division ngayong Sabado. Meron pa po tayong 4 maya-maya lamang po. First serve. Team Lingayen. Clifford Diata Cruz.
Good serve.
First point, Team Mabini.
Miguelio get that point. Estrada now serving. Good serve. Inogasio to David.
What an attack there by David. Inogasio. Misreceived. Tinaas para kay Manzano. Inogasio backsets to De Vera. And blocked. Another point for Team Lingayen.
Inogasio serving. Good serve.
Manzano.
Unforced error for Team Lingayen.
Second deadlock.
Miguelio on the serve.
Nag-alangan siya doon, partner.
Miguelio still serving. Good serve. Andun si David. To De Vera.
Catches the line. Substitution. Reyes in, Bustria out.
Custodio.
Over received. Still serving. Custodio.
Custodio. Estrada to Tawataw. De Vera.
Self-cover. But hindi na maitataas. Interpoint for Team Mabini. Inogasio back set to David. And a campfire for Mabini.
Smart attack coming from jersey number 11. David. Good serve. Estrada to Sanchez. Gloria couldn't handle that spike coming from Sanchez, partner.
Yes, partner. Sanchez. Inugasio sets it to Diata Cruz, and it's inside. Estrada sets it to Reyes. Error for Reyes. Another point for Team Lingayen.
Now on the service zone, jersey number 2. De Vera. Estrada to Tawataw. Drop ball shot, Inugasio. Back row attack. No check ball, says by the referee. Point for
Nakikita natin dito, partner, na nagre-ready na ang ating second game. Mga players natin, Team Binmalay and Team Anda. Meanwhile, Labrador, Inugasio to Diata Cruz. Good save. Ginawa ng paraan, but point again for Team Lingayen.
Quezon. Estrada.
Zero tempo play there.
Reyes on the service zone. Inugasio to Custodio, drop ball shot. Estrada to Manzano. Cross court hit for Manzano will work.
Another deadlock here at 8. Inugasio sets it to the open. And then si Reyes. Sinet kay Manzano. Deflected. Inugasio to Custodio. Wow.
Acrobatic attack coming from Inugasio and Custodio. Jata Cruz on the serve. Estrada to Manzano,
Combination
blocked.
play.
1-2 play. Manzano. Estrada serving. Good serve. Inugasio to Custodio is blocked.
Inugasio for 1-2 play. Attacking setter for Team Lingayen.
Kala ko acrobatic shot ulit, partner.
No.
Inugasio.
Estrada to Sanchez, and another block for Team Lingayen.
Lamang na po ng dalawa ang Team Lingayen. 11 serving 9. Good serve.
Attack error for jersey number 12, Miguelio. Estrada to Manzano. Underhand set. Timeout, Team Mabini. Dahil unti-unti na pong lumalayo ang score ng Team Lingayen. Dito naman tayo, partner sa education and sports. Hindi rin makakalimutan ng ating mga estudyante.
Sa pamamagitan ng Pangasinan Polytechnic College, halos 2,000 scholars na ang natulungan mula 2024 hanggang sa kasalukuyan.
May 4 na flagship degree programs ang PPC at nakaplanong magbukas pa ng branch sa Umingan kasabay ng pagtatayo ng super hospital kung saan target ding mag-offer ng allied medical courses.
At syempre malaking bahagi rin ng programa ni Governor Guico ang sports development dahil tuloy-tuloy na ang mga palaro sa Pangasinan.
Pagkatapos nitong Intertown Volleyball Tournament, aabangan naman natin ang Season 2 ng Intertown Basketball Tournament at ang Pickleball Tournament na siguradong exciting din para sa ating mga kabalayan.
Wow, dahil dito tunay nating masasabi ang tagline ay pinagmamalaki ng ating lalawigan. Pangasinan ang galing. Inogasio still serving. Good serve. Estrada to Sanchez.
Too strong for Sanchez. And napako po sa 9 points ang Team Mabini.
15 serving 9. Inogasio still serving. Point for Team Lingayen. Mabini rather.
Official score 15-10. Service error. Balik sa 6 ang kalamangan ng Team Lingayen. Substitution. Quezon out, Aguilar in. Sharp serve. Estrada back sets to Sanchez. Too wide. 7-point lead here.
Seventeen serving 10. Custodio on the service zone.
Service error. Diata Cruz. Inogasio. Sinet sa middle. Labrador. Inogasio to the middle again. Estrada. Sa 4. David. Free ball. Estrada to Tawataw.
Just wow, partner.
Wow.
To stand to speak on that attack coming
Yes.
from Tawataw.
And a service ace for jersey number 3.
Manzano. Good serve.
Inogasio to David. That is inside. 18-13. Now on the service zone, jersey number 11, David. Good reception to Rojas.
Balik sa 6 ang kalamangan ng Team Lingayen. David still serving. Good serve. Estrada. Torres. Drop ball shot. Gloria. De Vera blocked. Andun si Inogasio. Tawataw is blocked. Estrada.
Catches the line. Point for jersey number 3.
Serving. Rojas. Labrador. Inogasio. To De Vera.
Double substitution here. Inogasio out, Lomboy in. De Vera out, Season in.
Reyes out. Bustria in.
The team captain will be called here. I think it's about the substitution. Yellow card will be given to Team Mabini.
Serving jersey number 3. Season.
Seven-point lead. Unti-unti nang pinapasok ng Team Lingayen ang kanilang second stringers. Diata Cruz out, Layug in.
Good serve. Estrada to Tawataw. Drop ball shot. Season. Tulumboy.
Finds the corner.
Still serving jersey number 3. Season. Good serve. Run it. That will work for Team Mabini. Now serving jersey number 10. Run it. David. Season. Tulumboy. Off-speed attack. Miguel Oisdel. Bustria.
4 touches for Team Mabini.
Serving for the match. I know. 23 pa lang pala. Jersey number 15. Aguilar. Good serve. Estrada to Miguelo. Now on the service zone, jersey number 16, Bustria. Season. Tulayog. That is outside. Point for Team Mabini. Bustria. Good serve. Lumboy.
Match point for Team Lingayen. Now serving jersey number 7, Layug. Good serve. And a service ace! And Lingayen po ang nanalo versus Mabini in 2 straight sets. Congratulations to Team Lingayen. And also congratulations din po para sa Team Mabini. Our player of the game is with our courtside reporter, Miss Samantha Luis de Guzman.
That wraps up our first game here in the men's division of the Governor's Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament. Nakita naman natin mula sa dalawang municipality na binigay nila ang kanilang lahat. Mula sa first set hanggang sa second set, mula sa Team Lingayen, kitang-kita natin ang kanilang teamwork and consistency sa loob ng court. Mula sa Team Mabini naman, nakita natin na hindi naging consistent ang kanilang play. Pero we still saw kung gaano nila kagustong makuha ang second set. And right now, I am with the best player of the game from the winning team. Player number 11, John Rick David, having 10 attacks, 9 attacks, and 1 block. So congratulations for winning this game, and congratulations for being the best player of the game. Sa tingin mo, ano yung pinaka-key factor kung bakit nakuha niyo yung panalo for today?
Siguro po yung ginawa naming training kahapon kasi pinagod kami ng setter namin eh. Binago niya yung play namin eh. Mas lalo niyang binilisan eh, kaya siguro lahat kami. Parang hanggang bukas to, get ready kayo, charis.
Yes, so kailangan natin i-adjust yung mga plays natin para syempre makasabay tayo sa ibang team. So ano ba ang aabangan namin sa susunod na game ninyo, which is tomorrow?
Mas bibilisan namin, di ba, setter? Siguro paghahandaan namin, mamaya kakain kami ng malala tapos pahinga para bukas. Gigabayin namin sila.
So sino naman gusto mong pasalamatan or i-shoutout?
Sinashoutout ko yung si Abner Sorio from Saudi Arabia. Tapos yung family ng mga friends ko. Tapos yung family ko. Tapos Team Punch. Hay! Basta na yan!
Thank you so much and again, congratulations for winning this game. Volleyball fans, that ends here our first game here in the men's division. But stay here in our Governor's Cup Beach because our game 2 is about to start. This is Samantha De Guzman, your courtside reporter. Pangasinan, ang galing.